What up, YouTube? And Happy New Year! For this episode, we'll be doing a New Year's car meet at American Village parking lot, so stay tuned. はいさーい、明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。今日のエピソードはニューイヤーのカーミートなので、美浜のジャスコの駐車場で車集まって見に行きますので、ぜひ見てください。ピース。Got my truck. We got Jeff right here, 620. We got Alex. We got a Sunny with the Hakosuka front end. Damn. Nice. Interior. Dang, got the wing also. Nice. We got a plastic Mark II. Nice. Grande. All right. All right.
It's for sale forever. It's not rusting again.
Check the interior. Nice. It's for sale, guys. It's for sale. Nice. Yeah. For sale. Check it out. Dang, badass. Nice. Nice cappuccinos. Awesome. Got a Honda Acti. Got the Pikachu Swift. Ooh, nice Beetle. Nice. On the CRX, rarely see these now. Nice. Toyota Supra. Looks like for sale, 16,000. We got some Toyota Silicas. Nice. Beautiful car. Nice. We got another Toyota Celica. Nice. Beautiful. That catback or nice. Got a Toyota 1186. Nice.
Got a Porsche. Got another Toyota Celica. Look at this badass car. Beautiful. Nice. Oh, I popped the hood. Wow. Clean. Got Solix carburetors. Dang, dope interior. Nice. Wow, beautiful. We got a Datsun Fairlady Z. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Wow. Nice. Check out this Toyota Paprika. These are very rare. Nice. Got the chin spoiler. Check the interior. Got a bucket seat. Nice. Check out this bike right here with the bear. That thing is huge. Nice. This bear. Woohoo! Check out this Honda. Nice bike right here. CPX 400F. Nice. Dang, it's clean. Wow. Yeah, that's a beautiful bike right here. Oh, check out this K-truck. Pimped out, nice. Oh, we got a Japan Skyline. Nice. We got a nice Beetle, Volkswagen Beetle. Nice. Very clean. Wow. Nice. We got some nice bikes here. Nice. Awesome bike. Beautiful. Wow. Damn, look at the interior. That's wow. Like finally. Wow. Clean. Wow. Damn. This thing is nice. Look at the interior. Wow. Woo. Clean. Mustang. Ford Mustang. American muscle here. The red one. Oh my God, that red pop. Damn. Ooh, can you get a good angle? Yeah, that is beautiful. Yeah, look at that window. Wow, that is so cool. Good. Dang. Sankaku mado. Wow. Original, is it hubcaps? Wow. Nice. This is like the rich people car right here. Ooh, look at this. Savannah. Mazda. Yeah, RX-7. Nice. Another RX-7. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's in Japan. Yeah, Japan. Look at this. Nice. Mighty Boy. These are rare now. You don't see Mighty Boys anymore. Wow. It's like a small car with a truck back. Mighty Boy. Got a Honda Civic Type R. Nice. Got some Lotus right here. Wow. Everybody's out today. Look at that, beautiful. Got the blue and the orange. Woo. Nice. Look at this. Nissan Skyline Japan. Freaking clean. Got the Watanabe gold rims. Wow. Check the interior. Look at that. The windows all open, no pillar right here. Automatic, but it is beautiful. Wow. See that has no pillar? Yeah, right here. So sick. Yeah. Dang. Dang. Nice. Look at this Beetle. Awesome. What is that? AC unit? I don't know. Yeah, it is. It looks like a condenser. Check the interior.
Love me, Matthew.
I do.
Beautiful. Nice.
Secret, but not mistake.
No more secrets.
Wow. That is cool. Putting the AC in the back. Nice. We got some more S2000. Fana. Miata. FC. Nice turnout today. Check out this MR2. You don't see these no more. Nice MR2. Nice. Got the Watanabe rims. Nice. Oh wow, look at that. Wagon Mark II. Wow. Very rare. Nice. Got this Porsche 911. Nice. We got a Crown wagon. Nice. Four-door Camry. Damn. Wow. Nice. What's up? Happy New Year! Wow. Nice. Awesome lineup right here. Classic cars. Look at how low that thing is. Wow. Damn. Got some more right there. Ooh, look at that. Z, Fairlady Z, beautiful. Wow. Nice. Nice. Wow, RX3. Nice. Got a Hot Spell right here. Beautiful. Navahapuska. Wow. Nice. Damn. Oh, we got some more over here. We got a sunny. Wow, look at that. Nice sunny. Right down Watanabe Rim. Yeah. Then we got a Hapusa. Wow. Damn, Watanabe. Nice. Look at that, we got 11. Nice. We got Charlotte, maybe? Nice. Beautiful. Damn. Holla. Nice. Wow. Nice. Got an R31 in the bag. Got some more cars over there. Yeah. Awesome. Look at them body kits on that. Wow. King wagon. Nice. A sunny truck. We got another sunny 4-door. Nice. Dang. Yeah. Hampered out. Got another sunny 4-door sunny. Got twin plate. Oh, we got an MR2. Nice. Nice. Oh, we got a Hashimoku. Nice. Cosmo. Nice. Oh, check them in. Wow. Cosmo. Gotta check them in. Dang. Go Watanabe, dude. That is badass. Dang. RS. Woo. R7. Dang. FD. Got an FC. Damn. Look at that. Look at that little one. Cute car. He only shows up once a year. Check out this Japan. Got the brown lights. Damn. Nice. Alright, dude. Wow. Look at that wagon crown. Pitmobile right there. Four-door Camry. Nice. R3. Oh, look at that car. Nice. Rotary. Oh, look at this. That's when we see him. Damn. Movement Skyline. Damn. Man, can't wait till I get my Skyline. WD-40 guy over here. Over here. WD-40. Got the wagon too. WD-40. Yeah. Ooh. Gloria. Wow. Wow, look at that. Nice.
What are you?
Bear Lady Z.
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about
Nice.
Yeah,
Cars.
baby.
Ferrari. Wow. What's that, Corvette? R35 GTR, Liberty Walk style. Nice. Is that a Sunny wagon? Look at that, Lamborghini. Wow. Lamborghini. Then we got an NSX. Wow, sick. Nice. Wow, little Lamborghini. Let's check the interior of the NSX. Echo trucks. Awesome. Nice.